You have a sticky stick? Tell everybody what you're doing now.
We're gonna just spot everything with the buggy if you haven't seen that episode.
Watch out for that rebar sticking up.
Really stuck stuff.
Yeah, you don't want to hit that with your knee.
Wait, pick it up?
No, you don't want to hit it with your knee.
I know.
Just be careful walking.
Oh, we're on the rock.
And don't step on any boards because they have nails.
Oh, that was so cool. Did you catch that?
I did.
When I went on the bump and it... Not... Oh, that was cool.
Oh, man.
I was trying to get over that, but...
I know, that was so close.
Yeah, it was so close. I'm going to try that again. It might just be a...
That's a big chunk of cement. Yeah, don't run into that head full speed.
What about the other side?
No, it's too high.
The other side of it.
No, that's a
Go
chunk
at
of
an
cement.
angle,
Don't hit it.
angle. Nope.
Nope.
Okay, I'll just put it at an angle right at it. Or help it. That's not touching it. Oh, that was cool. It was like, you see this flat spot?
I saw that.
You see that? That's completely flat in real life. And it's like the truck jumped and it's like, I'm the king in the king chair because it was like really flat and small.
Uh-huh.
It was the perfect fit for the Traxxas.
That was.
It was like, it was a pro for me because it was just a little bigger than the Traxxas. So yeah. Maybe it was just sticking out a little bit and I didn't see it. But if it was, it would still be really cool. Oh.
Nope, it's in the jungle.
That actually looks like a jungle.
It does look like a jungle.
Oh, look how deep it is.
Are we going to have to get a rescue helicopter to come in and get it?
Oh.
Those briars.
Might be bees in here.
There might be yellow jackets. We don't want to do that again.
Oh.
Careful. Nailed it. Bring it.
Serious. Nailed it. Nailed it because I was going towards the
Oh, that was cool.
Right. That's why people who thought they were awesome on movies and they just try to go around the corner so far away and come back and then do a drift.
Yeah.
And then they're like, just tumble.
Well,
But then they're like, hey, cool bros. And then.
Well, what does this slash 1/16 scale do all the time? Tumble and roll?
Squirrely!
It's swirling.
It's squirrely!
Don't get it over there. What?
I was trying to flip it, so
Watch where you step.
that's the best, easiest spot to flip it. But I wasn't trying to hit this, so I was like, it's squirrely! And it flips. Okay, I can flip back. Okay, big. That actually looks like cement. Oh, that's the basement.
Okay. What do you say to everybody? Well, at least tell everybody what we're doing again.
didn't know, if you didn't like the first part and then you just skipped on to this, you didn't. You might have not seen this. So actually, you guys definitely saw that excavator and that bobcat. And so yeah, you definitely know where it is.
Try to run that over.
Oh, there's another one. Nope, I missed it. I got it. Let's Powerade. For a minute, I thought that was Gatorade.
It's probably covered in coronavirus.
Well, you can run the truck over it.
Then we have to touch it, the truck.
Oh, wait, what's it?
DAP, probably.
What is it?
It's for sealing up windows and things. Wah, wah, wah. How is your brushless power doing?
Great. Go for the dust! Oh, dust in my eyes. Woo!
That was really cool.
I'm gonna do that again.
You got to be, when you turn the wheel, you got to let off the throttle a little bit so you don't traction roll.
Like a pro. And it's off.
And like a novice.
Okay, I can't touch. I'm not. That didn't touch, so nope. Servo's not working. Nope.
You may have had a little rock stuck in there.
Right under it. And did a wheelie and kept going.
Well, I'm not even sure what you hit that time.
I don't know either. Actually, I think that was a stick. You see that stick?
Oh, you hit a stick
I
and that crashed you. That was a good hop.
I like just hopping it. Sometimes I don't like to see like big, amazing crashes. Sometimes I just like to hop it.
Ooh.
Rock. Hey, I can jump over that.
I hear thunder.
I don't think that's thunder.
Don't mess with that. Don't.
Never mind. Oh, that was cool. maybe not. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Made it through that stuck thing.
Can't believe your battery's still going.
But the nitro vehicle. The nitro vehicle still out.
Well, we need to make dying cat noises so people will think it is nitro.
But it doesn't have a nitro engine. Nitro, so I have to do that. Okay, never mind, I won't. Wait, why am I squeezing my shoulder?
To tell you not to do that.
How's that reason?
Because I don't want the motor to overheat or the brakes to
Well, I
turn
mean,
off.
why did you have to squeeze my shoulder? How would that make me think? Oops, I didn't see the word. Hey, this way, beep, 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 beep. Turn. Oh. Didn't. Beep, till it hits. Are you serious? I have to go that far? Never mind. Go back to where we were.
You're stuck. No, you're not. Thunder. Okay. We need to get under shelter. There's dark clouds over us.
No, I don't think so.
Come on.
Trying to back out. So we can get close to me. Alright, Dad. We gotta get this going if the truck's all the way back there. We burn out.
All right, what do you tell everybody?
Let's go to the truck. Wait, Dad, you have to not edit that speed run.
I'm not going to edit this video at all. I'm just going to post it. Okay, stay there.
What? Wait, go full speed. Why did you say that?
Not that. Go full speed straight. Don't wreck it.
I'm trying to get to where it's at me. So
I know.
we can,
But don't roll it.
try not to.
Come on, I saw lightning. Come on, hurry. Donnie, hurry. What do you want to tell all your viewers about how much fun that was?
Really fun!
What else? Like and subscribe.
And you can leave a comment now, so ignore the videos of when we couldn't comment, but it's on Facebook.
If I post it on Facebook, you can comment on Facebook. Bye, everybody.
Bye.